Just bought a new phone and want to switch your WhatsApp chats over without losing anything? Stick around, because today I'm going to show you a tool that does exactly that. No hassle, no headache, all in under 5 minutes.
This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
We're using iCareFone Transfer for this. Once you open it up, you'll see it supports WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, GB WhatsApp, Kik, and Viber. Today, we're focused on WhatsApp Business specifically, since that's what most small business owners and freelancers rely on to keep their client conversations organized. Right away, you get 3 options: transfer your data, merge WhatsApp Business data from 2 accounts, or just back it up. Let's look at backup first, since it's worth doing even if you're not switching phones right now. Think of it as insurance. If your phone ever gets lost, damaged, or just stops working, you don't want years of client chats disappearing with it. Open the backup section, and you can save all your WhatsApp Business data, chats, media, documents, everything, straight from your phone to your computer. That gives you a safe copy sitting on your hard drive, completely separate from your phone, and you can restore it anytime you need it. Head over to View and Restore, and you'll see every backup you've created so far. From here, you can restore any of them to an Android device or an iPhone, so it doesn't matter what you're switching to or from. And if you're working with encrypted backups, meaning ones protected with a password, you can manage those here too, without any extra software. Now, let's get into the main event, the actual transfer, which is really what most of you clicked on this video for. Both of my devices are already connected, a Xiaomi as the source and a Google Pixel as the destination. The software detects both phones automatically once plugged in, no manual pairing needed. Click Transfer, and it walks you through exactly what to do on each device, step by step. First, put your phone into file transfer mode. Then, head into your settings and enable Developer Options, a hidden menu on Android phones. If you've never touched it before, iCareFone Transfer shows you exactly where to tap. Once that's on, turn on USB debugging and install via USB. These are what let the software actually move data onto your phone. If your phone's settings don't quite match what's on screen, don't worry, every Android skin looks a little different depending on the brand. Just click General USB Debugging Settings and you'll get instructions that work for pretty much any device out there. Once you've got everything enabled, click Continue. Before the actual transfer kicks off, there's one more step, and it's an important one. You need a fresh backup of your WhatsApp Business data on the source phone. This makes sure the software is pulling your most recent messages, not an old snapshot. Open WhatsApp Business, go to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup, and create a new backup right there. Once that finishes, come back to iCareFone Transfer and hit Continue. The software reads the data from your source device, then shows you exactly what's available to move. Messages, photos, videos, documents, all of it, laid out so you can pick and choose. If you only want certain types of data transferred, you can deselect the rest. Pick what you want and click Continue, and the transfer starts. It moves fast. Give it a few minutes and everything's copied over to your new phone. No cables getting unplugged halfway through. No progress bar stuck at 99%. Once it's done, a few quick steps finish the job on your new device. If WhatsApp Business isn't installed yet, install it and verify your number like normal. During setup, it'll ask if you want to restore from Google Drive. Tap Continue and grant the permissions it asks for. From there, WhatsApp Business will automatically find the data iCareFone Transfer placed on your phone's internal storage. You don't have to go hunting for it. Tap Restore, and every chat, photo, and document lands right back where it was. That's it. Your WhatsApp Business is fully set up on your new phone, with every conversation intact. Quick look at the standalone backup option too, since it's just as easy and worth knowing on its own. Pick your connected device, click Backup Now, then Continue. It might ask you to verify your phone number. Just enter the code you receive and let it finish. A few minutes later, your entire WhatsApp Business account is safely backed up on your computer, ready to restore whenever you need it. So that's the whole process: transfer, backup, and restore, all with iCareFone Transfer. No complicated steps, no risk of losing your chats. If you want to try it yourself, the download link's in the description. And if this saved you a headache, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.